And I believe in sustainable resilience. I believe it's possible, and I believe you got to work for it. At a higher level of play and a higher level of business, it just doesn't happen naturally and organically. And so the gravity of growth that we're fighting is this example of the right amount of stress and the right amount of performance. Across the bottom is the amount of stress. Across the up and down is performance. And right in the middle is a sweet spot. But if you don't have enough stress, you're in that bored zone or that slightly engaged zone, there's not enough stress to get the maximum performance. And for athletes, people like ourselves in business, that sweet spot is where there's quite a bit of stress. Now, and that's where we thrive. And obviously, we can't control staying there all the time. When we go past it, we start to burn out. Now, if we're aware and we start to take a little bit better care of ourselves, we can slide back up into the sweet spot. Unfortunately, when we keep going past burnout and we keep pushing through, because that's our nature, we're more likely to end up in that meltdown stage. And the people that end up having suicidal thoughts and taking their lives, they go past that and they don't get their way back. And what I want you to get today is that you can always get back to your sweet spot. Always, 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 always. And you'll just likely need some help and some tools to get there.